Good evening, David here with his weekly week look. Today is Thursday 27th of September. This video being done at just before 6 o'clock, 6 p.m, so it's after the market's closed, and as usual looking at UK November 2012 wheat daily bar chart. We've got the long-term chart in front of us, and you can see here I've still got the 200-day moving averages, the 30 and the 10 day moving averages. And you can see we've had the breakout that we've been talking about for the last 3 videos, and it's broken out to the downside. And obviously we've been looking at last week our calculation of this consolidation here, and if I just pop down to lower time frame, you can see that this lasts exactly just about a month, and the length indicates that we're looking now for a move of £21 a tonne, which takes us down here to 185. Our first target obviously was looking at if it held at 200, which is now broken through on a daily close. We then came down to test old support here at 195. We've seen a bounce here, closed tonight at 198, and then obviously we're looking from downside targets from there. Now I've just marked this chart here with Fibonacci retracements. We've got the 78% here, but comes in under 196, which we tested to the dot here today, and we had a rebound. We then got the 61% retracement down here at 187, which coincides with our £21 a tonne move from the high here of 208. Our 50% retracement is down here at 181, and that is something that we will look to test at some time, if this market is now coming right the way back. And then just for interest's sake, I've put a gap here that was left back in June of last year at 156, right down here at the bottom. Now what can we expect now after we've had this breakout? We should see this price action continue down through this level 196, test our bottom at 187, and then we should see a sharp pullback to test the breakout. This could happen even now. We've seen this first, it stopped at 196, but ideally we want to see the price go shooting back up, back into this range, and then finally break down. So obviously key looking for next week of this reaction, jumping right back up. What it's then saying to people is, people who are looking to sell will say, oh look, prices come back, I've got no hurry. But people who are looking at taking profits will then look to take profits and sell into this rise, and then we should see the last leg down. So obviously from our anyway calculations, we've been dead on at the moment. We've seen this last 5 wave move up 208. We've seen the distribution. Now we've got the breakout. Now we see the ABC move that we were looking for. We talked we talked that 3 videos ago, where we see this down, up to test that, and then down. So we're looking for this leg now, the A, B, C. So I just draw that. So we're looking for A, B, C. So we're looking this test come back up to sort of 204, and then finally, if that doesn't hold, we're looking for the C target, which could be down here at 181, which would be our 50% retracement. So obviously watch this next week, or just pop back and have a look at longer term chart just to make sure. We've got our 200-day moving average down here at 166, which funny enough comes in right down here to Fibonacci level 166, 23%, so that they all sort of line up quite nicely together. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.